Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently, and here's how it's done. To begin, open the YouTube app. Keep in mind that the YouTube Shorts feature is built directly into the app, so there isn't a specific option to turn it off just yet. However, there is a workaround, and I will walk you through it. The first step is to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, select General, and then tap on Playback and Feeds. If you cannot find this option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you are there, you will see an option to adjust the playback settings. Set it to off. Another thing you can do is interact with the shorts you come across. For each one, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Not Interested. Do this for every short you see, and over time, YouTube will track this and stop recommending shorts to you. And that's everything you need to know about how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.